day 2. Starting to getting everything level to the 42 inches for the first layer. It's got the laser level, and you can see him doing the smoothing and everything. A lot to go though. A lot of dirt. Making the deep end perfect. Using metal supports to fasten it to the ground and everything, and then they'll be bringing the concrete in. Pretty amazing how fast these guys work. Skimmer, and far back there is for the light, the underwater light. Come Monday, he'll start with the forms, so the inspector can come in and look, see the footings, and then he can pour the lower concrete and you know, continue on. So great headway for 1 week. It's just phenomenal. Concrete going in. By hand. Coming along. Okay, tomorrow is concrete day, and the area here where the cabana is going to be has all been flattened out and leveled. Plumbing going into the pool house here, which is actually my well house. Started the work in here as the pump and the filter, so we'll start putting that together, but I just wanted to catch a clip of where we are. Yeah, big day tomorrow. All right. So the guys have been staining. They put 3 coats of stain on the cabana. And then this is where we are in pool fill. No wrinkles. It's awesome. Yeah, it looks a little green, but that's, it's kind of a shock. But it's been filtered through the filter. That was the best idea. And they're going to put in the light and the turns and all that other stuff. And right now they're working on the automatic pool cover to get it on the mechanism. Okay, you know your contractor's good when he's half underwater to fish the line for the light. What a trooper. Jaime, say hello for the camera. Hola. My contractor gets naked for the job. Okay, we have filtration. Okay, the little automated pool cleaner is running. That's kind of cool. It'll go around the entire pool doing what it needs to. Alright, let's take a cool video going out to the pool on a windy day. We've got Melinda just started putting the curtains up for the cabana. And here's the pool house, by the way. And, you can see all the gravel. I've got some water running here to keep the sod moist. And we got some family in the pool. As you can see, everybody's having a good time. Let's get the ball. Marisa down at the deep end. Here's the puppy. Of course, Melinda's already hung baskets. And, this is the view going the other way.